Hi, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to unbox Dips Bar. Dips Bar is a calisthenic and gym equipment for home workout. If you want to build strength at home, this product is very useful. So let's start the unboxing. This is the Dips Bar package. The package looks strong and safe. Now I will open the box carefully. Let me cut the seal. Wow, the product is packed very well. Let's see what we get inside. This is the main dips bar equipment. The material looks strong. The build quality feels heavy and solid. This is perfect for home workout. Now let's check the accessories. Inside the box we get the handles. We also get screws and bolts. This is the user manual and this is the warranty card. The design looks very good. The build quality feels strong. The color is really nice. This looks premium. This dips bar is very good for calisthenic training. We can do dips, push-ups, L sets and many exercises. It is very useful for chest, tricep, shoulder and core exercise. This is great home gym equipment. Now I'm fixing the one angles. My first impression is very good. The quality is excellent. This is the perfect product for home workout. If you are serious about fitness, you can try this dips bar. So, this is the dips bar unboxing video. If you like this video, okay, now dips bar is ready. It looks strong and stable. This is good for chest and tricep. This is good for calisthenic. We can do dips and push-ups. Its color also very nice. Its grip quality also awesome. Metal quality also incredible. Overall weight and size is comfortable to all. The grip feel comfortable and smooth. This looks amazing. I really like this product. Do you like calisthenic? Next question. Have you used this dips board before? Next question. Should I make a workout video on this? If you have some questions in comment below. Now I am assembling the dips bar. The step is easy. It's very simple to assemble. Not all have assembling manual, user manual. It's not want to assemble. It feels very strong. The grip is comfortable. This perfect for dips workout. My first impression is excellent. Now assembling the dips bar and finally finish it. This is very nice to use handle. I hope you like this video. If you want workout videos, comment below. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.